What is up, guys? It's APC. Today I'll be teaching more Khan Academy with JS. Hope you guys enjoyed my earlier 3 videos. Now I'm gonna make a 4th video, learning more about JS and Khan Academy. So, like we always do, we type in Khan Academy. Click on the first thing you see, then go to computer programming on the browser. Then go to the third link you see. Then go to the intro, the JS and drawing animation right here. Then we did the Buck Booth Bunny earlier. Now we're going to do the Funky Frog. Oh, we already did that. Never mind. We're gonna go on to the next one. So we're going to make animations. So we're going to start over. Okay. So challenge exploding sun. Prepare to animate. Right now, this program just draws a sun that never moves. To prepare to animate, make a draw function and move all the shape drawing commands inside of it. Be careful about how you write the parentheses and curly braces after draw equals function. They have to look like the hint code. You can't miss any or the computer will get confused. Okay, so making an animation. You guys might have seen the video about making animations of how you make something move. So I'm just gonna make a random program to show you guys how to do it. So you can make a random drawing like circle, rectangle, triangle. So I'm just gonna make a circle. Okay, circle. You use 2 slashes to comment out something in JS. Now to make the circle move. Now we have to make a variable. If we want the circle to move left and right, we have to make a variable for the x position. While if we want it to move up and down, we make a variable for the y position. If we want to make the circle larger, smaller, you have to make a variable for that one. And for the 5th one, if you want to animate that last array, you have to make a variable for that to make it larger, smaller. So yeah. Now I'm just going to make a variable for the x position. So we're gonna name that x. We first start off by writing variable x equals 200. We'll replace that. Actually, let's change that to 0 so we can start off right there. We have to make a draw equals function inside the circle. Draw equals function. Yeah, all the completes it for you. Then you take this line of code about the ellipse and plug it in right here. The variable has to go outside the function. I mean, sometimes you don't have to do that, but it depends. I'll teach you guys that later. So how to make it move. So basically you have to add on to it so the circle can move. So you basically have to add one area constantly in order for it to move. So if you want to add something, we will take the x variable, write x equals x plus 1. Yay! It's moving. But it doesn't really look that good. I mean, it looks like it's being dragged. So in order to solve the situation, you have to make like a background color in order for it to like just move without having that little black drag right there. So you type in background. Oh, you have to give a color for a circle, or also just a blank. No, never mind. So yeah, you restart it. There you go. It's moving. without any drag. So you have to put a background onto it in order for it to move, or else it won't look that drag. An easy way to write this, you can write x plus equals 1, and we'll still do the same thing. Okay, back to the challenge. So start over again. Okay, so what's the hint? VR sun size equals 30 and draw equals function. So the sun, the lands. Okay, so we have to write a draw equals function right here. Draw equals function. Now I have to replace all of this to here. Now, if we already replaced it there, we have to delete all this. Yay, we finished the first step. Now into the second step. Now we have to make it move. I forgot to mention this, you can also put it like on top or in the bottom, it doesn't matter. As long as you have that. Kind of depends, but I'll teach that later. So, in this function, we have to use the sun size variable in order for it to move, because we want the sun to go bigger, to make it bigger. So we could type in sun size plus equals 1. Yay, it's moving. So yeah, we finished this challenge now. If you guys have any questions about animations, please put them down in the comments so I can answer them, because I don't want to leave you guys not knowing how to do it. I want you guys to know how to do it in order for you guys to do it yourself another day. So next challenge, parting clouds. So we gotta start over. Okay, so in this challenge, you'll use your magical programmer powers to create cloudy sky and then animate into bright and sunny sky. Start by changing the position of the clouds so that they don't cover the sun, but still let little sun peek out. Try changing the value of left x and right x variables. So it's basically telling us for this step to change the position of the clouds so that they don't cover the sun, but it has to peek out a little. So we have to change these variables. We have to change left x and right x, as it tells us right here. Okay, so let's move that a little bit. Just move that a little bit. Yay, we finished the first step. Now into the second step. So the clouds are hiding the sun now. We want to animate them moving in opposite directions away from it. Make it so that the left cloud moves 1 pixel to the left in each frame, and the right cloud moves 1 pixel to the right. Remember, you can click restart to rerun your program. Use the shortcuts you learned in the last 2 talkthroughs to add or subtract 1 to the left x and right x. So we have to now do that line which we had to add on to it, but with the left x and right x variables. So you want to type in left x minus equals 1. Now you gotta do the same for other variable, right x plus equals 1. Okay, we finished this step. This tells right here plus equals, minus equals. So yeah, now move on to the final step. Now we have to make the sun. Now we have to add on to the sun radius, because it's the only variable we haven't used. So again, we do the same thing. Sun. So we type in sun radius, and then plus equals 1. Oh, never mind, to add 2. There you go. Yeah, right here it says increment the sun rays by 2 pixels. That was my mistake. My bad, guys. So yeah, we finished this challenge. If you guys have any questions about any animating, any animations, any questions with the dry equals function, please put them down in the comments. So, in the comments below. So I do not want to leave you guys not knowing how to write code to make animations. I want you guys to know, so another day you can do yourself. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and hope this video gets at least hope this video gets like 100 views, like the first one we made. Please like and subscribe and turn the notifications bell on. Peace.